Rule of the cube. Number 1, always put it down gently. Rule number 2, touch the cube. Rule number 6, do this. Damage the cube. Instead, do this. Rule number 5, don't get the cube wet. No. And damage the cube if it's made of plastic. Instead, put it near your lips, but don't kiss it. Rule number 6, always put the cube on top of an object. Don't put it beneath the object. Or don't put the object on top of it. No, that's not allowed. Instead, do this. Rule number 7, don't slice the cube. No, it may damage the cube. Rule number 8, don't whack the cube. No, that's not allowed. Rule number 9, don't push the cube away with something else. No. Instead, do this. Step 1, pick the cube up. Step 2, move it out of the frame or camera. Step 3, put the object in. Or do that. Rule number 10. When displaying your cube, don't scramble it.